lives according to God's righteousness. We are not holy as God is holy. Our destiny was holiness, but we fell from it and received a sinful nature.
Amen.
As a result, we are not expressing God, but expressing Satan. So we have to come very short of God's glory. What a dreadful condition!
Continue.
Because of sin, tradition, and lawlessness, we became lost.
We are
Under the demand of the law, and according to this law, we are cursed to die.
Amen. Dito ha,